You've worked your tail off for decades. Now it's time for your house to return the favor. If you are nearing retirement or already there, it's time to stop thinking like a homeowner and start thinking like a wealth strategist. Here's the thing that most people miss. Your home might just be the key to unlocking a retirement that's not just comfortable, but exciting, free, and on your terms. After years of grinding, raising kids, building a career, paying mortgages and bills, you deserve more than just getting by. Retirement should be about less stress, more freedom, and a lifestyle that actually fits where you are right now. But here's the reality check. Too many folks carry the wrong house into retirement. Too much maintenance, too much space, too many bills, and with cost of living up 23% in the last 5 years, that big over-budget home could be dragging you down instead of lifting you up. But here's the good news. You've likely built up some serious equity in your home, and equity equals options. Options to downsize, options to relocate, options to simplify, and still walk away with cash in your pocket for the good stuff, right? Like travel, grandkids, hobbies, or just the peace of mind. More and more retirees are making smart, strategic moves, not because they have to, but because they want to build a retirement that feels lighter, freer, and fully theirs. So if you're even wondering if your home still makes sense for your next chapter, let's talk. We'll look at your numbers, explore your options, and help you build a plan that works for you and not just your house. I'm Victor Amadi here with PRODUCER Realty. We help people build generational wealth by supporting and guiding them through purchasing their dream homes and selling at the best price. And we would love to help you too. And your next move, let's make sure it's your best one yet. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.